Crichton's Crystal Leak Repair System is designed to permanently waterproof leaking cracks, joints, and holes in concrete walls, floors, and ceilings, even from the negative or dry side. These structures are typically exposed to continuous water pressure and include underground parking garages, elevator pits, water reservoirs, tunnels, and basements. Only Crichton's crystalline waterproofing technology, Crystal, can achieve a permanently waterproof repair. When exposed to water, crystal chemicals react with cement particles and grow millions of needle-shaped crystals. These crystals fill capillary pores, cracks, and joints in the concrete to block the passage of water.